Welcome to Aljamdu Women Garden in the North Bank of the Gambia. This is a very big women garden where women grow different types of vegetables to uplift their family status and to get the harvest from the garden and feed their families with the proceeds that they get from this garden. It's a huge garden, more than 8 hectares of land that is being cultivated by the women in Aljamdu. This is a very rich, fertile soil which allows every vegetable that is grown in here to germinate well and to bear good fruits. So the women are here, some are weeding their gardens, like Fatu over there, she's weeding the garden, as you can see. And the other woman here, Yama, is also very hardworking. She is also weeding her garden. They are removing the grasses and they are also spreading the NPK fertilizer in the garden here. So you can see that the women are very hardworking. You see, that's the woman president. She works here every day to make sure that the garden looks well and also looks after the garden. But they have other animals that disturb them here, like monkeys. So that's the well, the local well. Yama is here. This is a local well. You know, they draw water from this local well with their hand, and sometimes they are at risk of falling into these wells, but that is how they survive for many years, because they have their children to send to schools, they have food to put on the table, they also help support their children and many other needs that they have. They settle it when they sell the harvest from their garden. So We thank you all for following this short video in Aljamdu Women's Garden. Thank you.